Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error that you get while trying to run an app in Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Microsoft Windows App Runtime. From the search results, go to the specific web page of Microsoft. Then scroll down. From here, download the latest version as per your Windows architecture. Once downloaded, simply right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Now once the installation completes, the CMD window will close automatically. Now simply restart your computer and the issue should get resolved. In the next method, search for command prompt, right-click over it and run it as administrator. Now type sfc /scan now and hit enter to execute the command. Once successfully completed, type in this command and hit enter to execute it. Once the process completes, simply restart your computer and see whether the issue gets resolved or not. In the next method, simply search for Windows PowerShell, right-click over it and run it as administrator. Now in the video description, you will get a command line. Simply copy and paste it in this PowerShell window. Once done, simply close the PowerShell window and restart your computer and see if the issue gets resolved or not. In the final method, go to Installed Apps. Search for the app you are facing the issue with and simply uninstall it from here. Once uninstalled, restart your computer. After restart, download and install the app again and see whether the issue gets resolved or not. Also make sure that your Windows is updated. If it is not updated, then go to Windows Update, search for any pending Windows update, install it and see whether the issue gets resolved or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.